How to use parental controls on Netflix. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To use the parental control on a Netflix, first and foremost, launch a Netflix account in your device. Over here, firstly select a profile in which you want to add the parental control. So where you actually have to go is at the bottom you will see a dashboard. At the bottom right corner you will see My Netflix, click on it. From here at the top right corner you will find a three-lined icon, click on it. From here you need to tap on the option of Manage Profiles. Select on your profile. At the very top, you will see Viewing Restriction. You can click on it. After this, tap on Maturity Ratings. Enter your password. Tap on Enter. Now over here are some of the selected ratings which will be shown on the profile. If you want to use the parental control, you can adjust this rating according to the age group of your toddler or your child. After which, in their particular Netflix profile, they will only see the content according to their age, which is the age appropriate contents. So this is how you'll be able to manage the viewing restrictions. If you want to add more of the protection, that is the profile pin, you can do that by heading over to Account. From here, you need to scroll to the very bottom. There you will see 18 plus content. You can tap on it. To enable it, enter your password first and foremost, then tap on the continue button. After which, you can enter a 4-digit password for your child's profile. And that is how you'll be able to use the parental control on your Netflix. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.